Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close your Destiny 2 on your PC. To do so, you first have to have your Destiny 2 game open on your PC. So once you're in your game, just press Escape on your keyboard, which will take you to the game options. Now here you can see this option called Exit to Desktop. Press it and then press Confirm. Once you hit Confirm, your Destiny 2 game will be closed on your PC. I'm going to show it to you once again. So just press Escape and you're in the game options, Exit to Desktop, like so, and then press Confirm. Once you hit Confirm, your Destiny 2 game will be closed. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host, Stace.